Good evening, everybody. I want to welcome you to my YouTube channel, Dollars Make Sense. On this channel, you guys will find money-making opportunities that you can choose to do and make you some side cash. Now, I'm going to bring you guys today, I'm bringing you an app that I just now, I believe it's fairly new. It's in beta testing right now, but it's a fairly new app. I watched a video on this. I'm subscribed to a lot of entrepreneurs YouTube channels, and they always, whenever they upload a video, I get notified. So that's why I stress that you guys should really subscribe to my channel and hit the notification bell. Make sure that you click on that so you guys can be notified whenever I upload a video. You guys don't want to miss my videos, okay? Because I'm going to be bringing you tons of videos about money-making opportunities. All right, so we're going to get into this app, but first I want to let you guys know, if you guys are thinking about, just becoming an entrepreneur, period, if you're thinking about, working online, just understand that your mindset has to be right. Understand that you're not going to make millions overnight. You might not even make your first $5 online. It might take you a whole week to make it. Just understand it takes time and patience for anything you want to do. And if you guys are taking surveys, also understand that takes a lot of patience. I'm a survey taker, and I know I'm pretty good at it because I've been doing it for a long time. But I'm letting you guys know now that depending on the survey site, it takes patience and it takes time. Okay? So without further ado, let's get into the app. The app is called Focus Loop. Okay? And it says Focus Loop Beta because they're beta testing it. It's in a beta test right now. So let me take you over to the app. It's fairly new. And basically, you watch videos from what they say, and you get paid for it, for responding, okay? So right now, my current balance is $1. You cash out at, I believe, you must have a minimum of $5 into your account to cash out, okay? So basically, you can also refer friends, okay? And whenever your friends do answer 25 questions, you get $25 added to your balance. But remember, the minimum to cash out is $5, okay? But this is just a referral, a bonus. If you get 25, if you say you sign up one person, if that one person answers 25 questions, you get paid for it, okay? So that's basically how it works. Let's tap on this and see. Okay. So, like I said, this is a fairly new app. And right now, I've only gotten $1. But that's pretty good because I answered some questions. And they'll notify you via email, I believe, whenever there's new questions that arrive. Okay. So basically it. This is a fairly new app, and you guys basically, once you earn up to $5, you get to cash out, and it takes, doesn't take that long. I believe it takes 24 to 48 hours to withdraw. So just keep in mind though. Keep checking your email, you guys. Make sure you enter the correct email so you guys will be able to cash out to your PayPal account, okay? And like I said, this is a fairly new app. It's in beta testing right now. You guys want to get, I'm going to leave my referral link below so you guys can sign up under me if you want. Normally, the sign-up bonuses can be anywhere between $3 to $4 from what I heard on the video. When you sign up with the link, you guys will, but my current balance right now is $1, and I have so many things I'm doing, so that doesn't really affect me. It doesn't bother me that I only have $1 because $5 on it is $4 more and I get to cash out. So $5 is pretty good. This is like it's fairly new, like I said. Just be patient. They will send you questions via email. Just make sure when they send them to you, you respond right away because those can expire, and you want to make sure you're answering questions because you you get money added to your balance every time, and you want to make sure that you get up to the $5, and so you can cash out. And also, you guys can refer people to this app. I believe you make more money with the referring because of the bonus you get. So if you sign up 2 people and one of them answers 25 questions, you get $25. Okay, so just keep that in mind. It's not that hard. Like I said, you just be patient. It's new, and it's new. So you got to give it time to just be patient with them. If any of you are signed up with any of the other opportunities I do online, do those, so you guys will always be able to be making money while you're waiting for this to give you your $5. Okay, so that app is called Focus Luke. I'm going to leave it in the link below, the description below. I'm going to leave the referral link, the sign up link below if you guys want to sign up. Okay, so I'm going to copy the URL. And also, I'm going to show you guys, I'm going to just tell you about these other apps I'm doing. Receipt Hog, you guys scan receipts, you get paid. And once you get up to 1,000 points with that, you get $5. Money App, once you get up to 5,000 points, you get $5. App Flame, I cash out as low as $1 on that app. Bubble Shooter, you guys, if you've ever played this game before, you just pop all the bubbles and you get credited. Once you get to $10, you cash out. Gift Loop, once you get up to 300,000 coins, you basically get $15 to PayPal. Lucky Money, right now they don't have normally it would be $10, but they ran out of, people are cashing out at $10 so much that they ran out of $10 PayPal. So you can cash out either $30 or $50. So for the $30 cash out, you need to have 24,400. I think it's 24,400 tokens to cash out $30 to PayPal. That's how it works. Let me show you that really quick. I have scratch offs that I can do, but I have 1,300, 1 million. I guess is that 1 million? I don't know how much that is, but let's just go to the redeems real quick so I can show you guys what I'm talking about. Okay, so this wasn't here before. So for $2 Amazon gift card for the Lucky Money app, you have to have 3,000 or 3, however much that is, and they have 659 left. They are running out of, people are redeeming so quickly that they're running out. So you see there's no left for the $5 Amazon. There's 0 left for the $10 Amazon. You have to, for the $10 PayPal, there's none left. None left for the $10 gift card for Target. There's none left for the $20 for PayPal, which is 20,000 tokens. There's 99,862 left for the $30, but you have to get 29,400,000. I think that's 29,400,000. Okay, so, and for $50 to PayPal, you have to have 47,500,000. I believe that is. You guys can correct me if I'm wrong on the numbers, because I normally go up to 1,000, and I'm not anything higher than that. I lose count. So I believe that's like 29,400,000 in my opinion. I don't know, maybe I'm wrong. Correct me if I'm wrong, but yeah. So yeah. But if you guys are interested, Lucky Money is on the Google Play Store right now. You guys can watch videos on it if you want. You guys can, just do your research before downloading this app. They have scratch offs. You can win free tokens as well. You can do various tasks to win more tokens, so you can get up to your redeem. Let me show you that right now. Free tokens, Tapjoy. What I suggest is you guys go to the ones that you can do, like this. Watch this video. You could do all these. It's not going to give you that much, but it doesn't matter. And after you do that, go to find one that says download and run, and then what I want you to do is like this one right here. This one's easy. You just sign up and enter your email address. They'll send it to you and you confirm it. That one's easy. And then go to Tap Research. Tap Research. It's down here. Remember I told you guys about Tap Research? Tap Research is an amazing survey thing because you get disqualification points. And look how many, up to 70,686,000 or 7. Yeah, I don't know how much that number is. I'm sorry. I'm not too good with that. But anyways, you see how much you can get up to just for doing the tap research. You guys want to get on this app quickly, because I'm going to be cashing out $30 very soon just by doing a tap research alone. And I know I love tap research because it's like the best survey platform to use because of the disqualification points. And imagine how much they're going to give you on this app alone, you know. And there's another tip I want to give you guys for the Money app. Hold on, let me go here. I did 2 trial offers on this Money app, and I'm supposed to have 7,000 points, and I don't have that. So my advice, don't do any trial offers, because for whatever reason, I didn't get paid. I didn't get credited for my points. So don't do any trial offers on this app, because I didn't get credited, and you never know. You might get credited, but I didn't. I'm supposed to have 7,000 points right now, and I'm not happy, but I spent $2 just to get that, but it's no big deal, So, and my advice to you is just play the games and go to the levels and then cash out, because I believe that'll make it easier for you. Like, there's a new one right here, My Konami Slots Free Vegas. Reach level 20 and receive your reward, 1,709 points. That is worth it. I would do that. LifeLock, that's a trial. I wouldn't do that. I would do all these other apps, because they're easy. FitPlay, download FitPlay, then download one of their apps, and then play the game for 60 minutes. You'll get your points. Okay, that's easy. All right, so if you guys want the referral link for Money app, you can always watch my other videos for it. But this main video is mainly for Focus Loop. I'm gonna put the referral link for Focus Loop below, so you guys can go ahead and sign up for that. I just wanted to show you the other apps that I have on my phone that make me PayPal money. Okay, so I have not cashed out from Receipt Hog yet, or Bubble Shooter, or Gift Loop, or Focus Loop, or Lucky Money yet. But when I do cash out, I'll make a payment proof video showing that to you guys. Okay, so remember, Focus Loop is in beta testing. It's a fairly new app, so if I were you guys, I would go and install that on your phone ASAP. All right, take care, you guys. Like this video, share it, subscribe to my channel, hit the notification bell so you can get notified whenever I upload a new video.